How to earn credits or and free gifts on your Temu application. Hello everyone, wherever you are, welcome back in this video. I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, what you should do, just open your Temu application, and as everyone knows, it will open directly on your homepage. Right now, go to the last button here in the bottom of the screen, and what's next, go to earn credits or and free gifts. Click on it. For example here, it will tell you if you wanna to get like $200, you must click here. For example, I wanna just this easy mode. I will click get now, and what's next, what they will tell me, they will tell me to do something here, for example to pick something. And what's next, as you see now, they told me to pick a card and get more gifts. For example, I will get this, I will pick this. As you see, congrats, total 5 free gifts for you. And right now what I should do, congrats, as you see here. Yeah, and what's next, as you see now, I have like 5 gifts. So this is my special surprise. Pick a free gift again, and you will do this, uh, what I do, and you will do this. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.